The fire is now lit. Look inside the bottles. It's water and names of the people they are cursing. Don't allow evil to endure. Don't allow evil to persist in your country. The fire has started. The altars of Satan shall burn. I'm not scared of the devil. I'm not scared of Zimbabweans. I'm not scared of nothing because God is with me. No weapon formed against the people of South Africa shall prosper. And every tongue that speaks judgment against our life, against our existence, against our identity, we condemn and ban and break. Each and every demonic entity that operated in this altar, I ban it and send it back to hell in the mighty name of Jesus.